All right, we're here. Okay, we're here on Friday, August the 24th. I just wanted to video the condition of the project that Robert Payne attempted to do. This is our kitchen. I just want to give an overall view of how it was left. This is a picture of the ceiling. This is how it was left to us. Alright, so now I want to point out specific details. So we'll start with the ceiling. So you can see this is where the wall was taken out. You can see that it's not anywhere close to being finished. And from there, there's multiple places on the cabinets that are bad. If you can get a look from the video, you can see how crooked the doors are. Trying to get a shot of that top one there that's really bad. None of them are really straight. Got a really bad ding door right here. It's not just paint, but it's banged up. I got another spot right there. That one's not quite as bad. And then they put trim up. You can see this trim, how awful it is. Over here you can even see raw edges where there's wood. It's not finished. There's multiple places like that. Right here's another one that's really, really bad. Raw edges there. Trim looks horrible. It doesn't match up. Right here where the pantry is, there's a gaping hole right here. Unfinished all the way from the bottom to the top. And these two top cabinets right here are supposed to have glass in them, like the rest of the ones all the way across do, and they don't. Then look at this floor. There's multiple spots with the grout. Actually, we'll go back to the cabinets. So in the center island here, this right here was supposed to be where the sink goes. I'm sorry. And you can see there's drawers there. So that's where the sink goes. It's supposed to go, but there's drawers there. Here's another really bad ding in a drawer right there. Another piece of molding right here that's wood showing, not finished. And then onto the floor, there's the multiple spots in the grout. Like this right here. Here's a really bad one right here. Big gap there. Oh yeah, here's a register that was left. You can see the hardwood's been cut, just left. Big gaping hole there. And then all the way down this seam right here, you can see where the grout is not filled in. Here's another spot right here. It's not filled in. You can see really bad here. Where it was grouted and just not, whoever did it didn't pay attention. Really bad spots all the way up and down the floor. Here's a really bad one right here. This is the back of the bar area right here. It's not finished. That should be, should have a finished piece on it. So it's not finished. Go on to the sunroom area. Oh, here's a shot of molding where there should be a piece of molding. There's nothing there. Back to the floor here. So you got a transition area right here between the kitchen and the sunroom. So you can see that piece of molding is level. And as you get out here, just for reference, slide that pencil underneath it, Amy. No. Yeah. So you can see how unlevel that is. Slide it all the way up till it hits. Keep it going. No, step back towards the kitchen. No. So you can see all the way up to right here. I mean, there's a 1/2 inch fall all at one time right there. And if you get back and you look at these lines, it's hard to tell the video, but they're extremely crooked. You got a register right here that won't fit. You can see how sloppy that was. Bent on the edge right here, so the register won't even fit without some kind of modification there. You got another really bad spot right here, unfinished. And as we move into the room here, the addition, I'll give you a shot of just all the unfinished areas, molding. You can see the ceiling never was primed. Looks awful. We got every knot hole showing through it. Baseboard they finished out in a standard 1x4. Everything else in the house has got a regular 5-inch baseboard. Oh yeah, and there's a big delay when you flip the light switch on. It takes about 4 seconds for the light to come on. The 2 side windows are just glass panes between wood. They're not energy efficient. They're not maintenance free, so they'll have to be caulked and painted every year. Actually, all the windows would have been that way, but they broke this one here, and we ordered one from Lifetime to replace it. So as we go over here to the door, it goes out on the steps. You can see this area here that was left. Big gaping hole. Molding is broke and cracked. If you come outside, you can see where they got a big hole right here. It was placed same way in that corner there. Big hole. Another area there that's unfinished. This brand new door here. It's got a big dinging. Actually, it looks like almost all the way through the metal, where somebody's hit it with something. And the electrical and the plumbing are unfinished as well. So this is our project to date as of 8/24.